not a
So
scammer.
you think
I
you
am.
can scam me and spit in my
No, 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 no,
eye?
no, 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 no.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi, this is Erica. We are calling you from Bell, Canada, and this call is regarding your internet connection. How are you doing today, sir?
All I want to know is, are you wearing pants?
Hello.
Did you think that I was done calling you and messing with your brain? No way. I'm fucking
Hello.
with you. You're a
Yes.
dirty scammer, bitch. I don't like you one little itch you got right on your crotch.
Completed.
You're so gross and ugly too.
Hello. Hello.
Ugly too. I think that
Yeah,
you
hi.
smell like poo. Look at you. You're a fucking
Stop
bitch.
it.
Dun ba 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 da ba da dun 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 da 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 da. You're a fucking bitch. This scammer bitch here, she's a fucking scammer, fucking bitch here.
You
Fuck this scammer, she's a fucking
shut
bitch.
up, motherfuckers.
Yo, yo, check it. We got a scammer bitch. She's in the house, yo. Check her out. She's a
Hello. Hello.
Hey there, scammer with the smelly chute.
Hello.
The smelliest chute that I once knew. She took that chute and she ran around with every other scammer in town.
Hello.
Hey, hey, you're a scammer, bitch, hey.
You're
You're
sounding
a
bad.
scammer, bitch.
Shut up, you idiot. Hello.
Hey, let's stop fighting for a second. I just saw a bear. It was really cool. Have you ever seen a bear before?
Sorry?
Well, I'm the one who's been calling and harassing you, but I'm just taking a break to tell you that I saw a bear. A black bear.
Hello.
You don't care about the black bear? What's
A
up with
black
that?
bear? Is it
Yeah, you don't
that's
care?
you? That's
You don't
you.
care about the black bear?
Hello.
You don't care about the black bear? You don't care about the black bear? You don't care about the black bear?
Hello.
You don't care about the black bear? Why don't you care? It's so pretty. You're mean and ugly. And your tooth smells. Oh, hey, hey. She's a scammer, bitch, hey, hey.
Hello.
You're mean.
Hello.
You're really mean. How come you keep hanging up on me?
10 জন গিয়ে 10 বার করে তুই তো
Fuck this scammer.
10 জন গিয়ে
Fuck this scammer. Fuck this scammer, piece of shit.
We would now like to transfer you to a poll taker
Mama.
for just a few more questions. Please stay on the line.
I just killed this scam.
الو السلام عليكم.
Didn't put a gun to his head, but I sure wished he was dead. Mama,
Fuck off.
This scammer's a piece of shit.
Fuck off.
And I'm
Fuck
gonna
off.
call him 5 or 100 times. Mama, ooh, they never say goodbye. They make me wanna cry. Mama, ooh. Now I'm gonna call him 1,000 times. I see a little silhouette of a scam. This guy sucks. This guy's poo. He's a piece of fucking shit. Yeah. Thunderbolts of lightning striking down for hopefully he is a
This call is from Bank Security Department. We have received 2 charges from your card this morning. The first charge is of £300 from Amazon and the second... You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello.
Fuck this scammer. Fuck this scammer. Fuck this scammer, piece of shit. He is a fucking
I am not
scammer,
a scammer.
piece
I am not a
of shit.
scammer. I am not a scammer. I am not a scammer.
So you think
I
you
am-
can scam me and spit in my eye?
No. I want to
I'm
fuck
pretty
your
sure
mother.
that you're
I want
from
to fucking-
fucking Dubai. Oh, baby. You won't scam me, baby. Just gotta get out. Just gotta get out of Mumbai.
Wait, pussy. I want to fuck your mother ass. I want to fuck your mother wet pussy.
Look this scammer. Look this scammer. Look this
I
scammer.
fuck you,
He's
I
a
fuck you,
fucking
crazy
piece of
shit.
shit.
I fuck you, motherfucker.
Fuck
I
this
fuck you,
scammer.
This is Carl from Walmart.
Thank you for calling Walmart customer service. How may I help you today?
Fuck you. That's how you can help me. Fuck you.
Screw you.
What? How dare you, sir?
How fare you?
How dare you, sir? You're a mess. A complete mess. Your life is ridiculous.
Yeah, which is true.
Yeah, man. You spend your whole day fucking lying to people. That's your job. That's not even a job. That's your day. That's what you do with your day. You lie to people.
At night.
You know what kind of fucking sick... I don't give a fuck what time it is there. You know what kind of sicko it takes to do that shit? That's like serial killer level, man. Do you hurt animals?
Hello.
Yo, what's going on?
Yes, my name is Michael. How are you?
Michael, buddy, it's been forever since we talked. How you doing?
All right, sir. So this call
I've
is
talked to you
related.
like for a super long time. How are the kids?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Jason from Healthcare Benefits. How are you doing today?
Jason, I am Monster. Rawr.
Can I say something, sir?
Yes, Jason, say something.
Well, sir, the reason of my call is to let you know you can get $178 cash back and extra free benefits like dental, vision, hearing, flex card, food card, and co-pay coverage. How may I know how old are you?
69.
69, that's perfect. And do you have Medicare Part A and B?
Yes, I do.
That's perfect, sir. You're qualified to get all these benefits. So please stay with me on the line. I'm going to connect you with my senior. He will assist you and provide you all these benefits free of cost, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hello?
I'm Monster. I want Medicare.
Hello?
Hi there, I'm Monster. I want Medicare. Rah, be scared.
What are you?
I am a monster. Rah, rah, rah.
What kind of monster are you?
I'm a 69-year-old monster. Rah, with Medicare A and B. Ah, rah.
Thank you for calling Walmart customer support. How can I help you today?
You're a fucking piece of shit, huh? You're a piece of shit. Fucking scammer. Right? Hey, where'd you go? Scammer. Hey, can you hear me?
Walmart customer service, this is Preston. How can I assist you?
Hi there, how are you doing?
What?
Hi, how are you?
Hang up the line, motherfucker. I ain't got nothing
okay?
to do all day. Am I okay?
Hi. Yeah,
I'll be
okay.
I'll be much better if you give me some head.
I can't do that right now.
Shut
I
up.
have to be quiet.
Thank you for calling Amazon. How can I help you?
Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
What happened, sir? What happened to your voice?
I can't be too loud right now. Are you
I
okay?
can't what?
I can't be loud right now.
Okay, I got it. You're not
They'll
safe.
see me. I don't want them to see me.
Okay, you don't want to see them. See what? Like Illuminati?
Yeah, how did you know?
Yes, sir. Everybody knows about that secret society. Everybody knows that.
You're very smart. No, I didn't know that everybody knew that.
Like what was the thing you have been stolen from that Illuminati thing? Like, and
They want to sacrifice me because I'm a virgin.
because you are.
They want to sacrifice me because I'm a virgin.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
And
Maybe could you
how?
take my place? Could you take my place?
Like how long it's gonna take, sir? To reach?
You're being too loud, man.
I'm sorry.
You're gonna get me shot. I don't want to die.
I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ. Is this your first time?
In the name of Jesus, you should be brave enough to handle everything out there, sir. You should be brave enough.
So what's the first step?
You are not a pussy man, okay?
Shh. Dude, you're too fucking loud.
You are not a pussy man.
Hey, man. Hey. You want to hear an annoying sound?
Sure, why not? It feels like a girl, like a child girl is getting raped.
You gotta be quiet, man. I don't want to get
It feels like that.
Man, you're gonna get me caught. If you get me caught, I'm gonna fucking kick the shit
You know
out
what?
of you.
I have your location. I have successfully sent that information to that Illuminati.
You know what?
Fuck you.
Hello!
I need to speak to Gina.
I am the wisdom box. What wisdom shall I bestow on you today?
This is
Ask
Raj,
of me
Raj
anything. You may ask any question. I am not Raj Patel. I am the wisdom box.
What do you do, Wisdom Box?
Do you have any questions for the wisdom box? I bestow wisdom upon those who must search it out.
Who must?
Yes, what kind of... Do you have a question about Raj Patel that the wisdom box can answer?
Wisdom Box, are you running any business?
I run the wisdom business, sir. All the world's wisdom is up in this noggin.
May I speak to Joshua?
Hello, I am the Wisdom Box Robin. What do you want to know?
Hello, Brian.
Hello.
Hello, Brian. This is sort of. How are you?
You have reached the Wisdom Box.
Okay.
What questions do you have for the Wisdom Box?
I don't have any questions.
A wise man always has questions.
I'm not a wise man.
I know. That's why you've called the Wisdom Box.
Okay.
Ask your question, and I will give you the answer.
I don't need any answers from you at least.
Are you wondering, how is this scam ever going to work? The answer
I'm not a
is
scammer,
not. The worst scammers on the planet. You and Rachel and all of your friends, you're really quite awful. This knowledge has been brought to you by the Wisdom Box.
Okay.
All likeness to the Wisdom Box, copyright and trademark.
Nice.
If you'd like to speak with customer support at Wisdom Box, please hold the line.
I'm hanging up the call.
Thank you for calling Amazon customer support. How can I help you today?
Hi there, my name is Daryl. I'm coming over there.
Thank you for calling Amazon. You're speaking with Alicia. How can I help you?
Oh, thank you very much. I want for the money, I do for the show. This girl's a scam, she's a fucking hoe, fucking scammer. Ooh, you fucking scammer.
Fuck you too.
This girl's a scammer, she's a fucking runny. Don't forget the money, cause I don't have money.
You should go for America's Got Talent.
Thank you very much.
Most welcome, sir. Have a nice day.
Fuck you, scammer. Fuck you.
Fuck you too, master.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir. This is Lauren Smith calling you from Telstra regarding to your internet connection. How are you doing today?
I don't know, that kind of sounds like bullshit. Are you both with me?
No.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So, sir, my name is Sam, and
Sam.
I'm calling you from Telstra. So, how are you?
I'm very good, Sam. I've had one of them days where I drank a bit too much, I think.
Sorry?
I said I had one of them days where I was drinking way too much.
Sir, see, actually, you have a problem with your internet line. Okay?
Okay, so like you can turn it off for a little while and turn it back on or something?
Sorry, what is that?
I said, are they gonna turn it off for a little while and then maybe turn it back on?
Well, sir, we are from Telstra and we just called it today. Yeah. And we just called it today to help you to fix your internet line. Okay?
Okay.
So,
what do we
so,
gotta do?
so you do one thing. Can you go and check the router? Like how many lights are blinking on your internet line on your router?
How many lights are blinking
Yes, yes.
on my browser, you said?
Not the browser, sir. On your router, on your internet box.
The tower looking thingy?
Sorry.
I got this. I know what you mean. I'm sorry. I got it. Let me just grab a look. It's 4 lights.
Okay. And how many devices are connected with your internet line, with the router?
I don't know.
You
I guess
don't know.
my computer.
Uh-huh.
Does that connect to my Does that connect to my Wi-Fi too?
Yes. Well, sir, if you don't mind, like, how old are you?
I'm 44.
You are 44, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay. So can you please go ahead and switch on your computer? Can you turn on your computer so that I can show you the problem which is running in your internet line? Okay?
Okay, just let me get it on. Okay, it's
Yeah.
on. It's on. I just had to move the mouse.
It's on? Your computer is on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you see on the computer screen?
I see my desktop. I see Google search. I see Call of Duty.
Just minimize everything and
Okay.
come back to your normal screen.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah, I'm at the normal screen, man. I'm there.
Okay, now just look down on your on your keyboard. On your keyboard, left hand side, extremely bottom corner. Do you see the CTRL?
Yeah, control button. Yeah.
Yeah, and just next to the control key, next to the CTRL key, which key do you see?
It's like a fucking window.
Right. So what you need to do, you need to press the Windows button. Press the Windows button and
Okay.
R as in robot. Windows and R.
Is this gonna reboot my computer?
No, sir. Right now, what we are going to do, I will show you the problem so that you can understand in a better way, like what's going wrong with your internet. Okay. So what you need to do, sir, you need to press the Windows key along with letter R. Okay. R as in Romeo. Both key together, and now what? What has come up on the screen?
Second, I need to give my eyes a break, man. The screen is too bright for me.
Oh.
Okay, it's
So
a
what do-
black box or something. Oh fuck, I can't read all that, man.
Oh, you can see a black box once you press Windows and R.
Yeah.
So you were just wasting my time, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, pretty much just wasting your time trying to fix my fucking computer and shit.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, this is Zaini and I'm calling you from Telstra regarding to your home internet line. So how are you,
What's your
sir?
name? What'd you say your name was?
Sir, I'm talking about your home internet line. Okay?
I understand. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Zeni.
Zany?
Yes.
That's a cool name.
Okay. Sir, the reason why I have initiated this call today is to inform you your internet network has been changed from private to public, okay?
I don't like that.
Sorry?
How do I? What do I gotta do?
Okay, sir. Sir, let me tell you, some other people are also using your internet without your consent. So they are visiting some illegal website. So we are receiving errors and...
Is it the commies? Is it commies? Is it them fucking commies?
Hello?
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
I'm doing great, sir. How about you?
You're not doing great. You're doing scams. I'm doing great.
Oh, is it, sir?
Great. I'm great and you're a scammer. That's how it goes.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi, a very good day to you. My name is Elsa. I'm phoning you from Telstar regarding your internet connection. How are you doing today?
Oh, not bad. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. The reason I'm phoning you today, because since the last couple of days, we are continuously receiving warning and hacking reports from your internet connection, alright?
Okay.
And it is indicating that your internet has been compromised without your concern or information. So may I know when did you use your internet last time?
I think I'm using it right now.
Okay, so are you the only user of your internet, or apart from you, is there anyone who uses the same internet?
No. Not like my Wi-Fi password.
Sorry? Okay.
I said.
So,
not
who paid the
my
internet
Wi-Fi
bill?
password.
You have a Wi-Fi password,
Yeah, your dad's a bastard. What?
right?
What did you say?
Yes, sir. What I'm trying to say is, whenever you are trying to log in, browsing, or visiting any kind of websites, at the time we are continuously getting a warning and hacking reports from your internet connection. All right?
Oh no. That's bad.
So, can you tell me who paid the internet bill? It is you or your wife?
Oh, it's me. I'm single. Why are you looking? Just kidding.
Sorry?
Never mind. I don't date scammers. So if you're hitting on me, I don't date scammers. Okay? Unless you're like planning
What makes
to
you think that
reform.
this is a scam call?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Yeah, hi. This is Michael from Telstra
Hi,
about
Michael.
your internet. So how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Actually, ma'am, the purpose of this call is that from couple of days, we are receiving some bad signal and warning messages from your internet. Can you go in front of your modem and check it? how many lights are blinking on the modem and confirm me, ma'am?
Let me just have a look. There's 4 there.
4, okay. And how far is the computer from your modem?
I'm at it right now. I'm at the computer.
Okay, ma'am. Can you go in front of your computer and switch it on so that we will show you the status of the hacker who are connected with the internet, and maybe we will activate the anti-hacking security. The computer is switched on, ma'am, at the moment.
Yep. What do you need?
Okay, now can you tell me, do you see all the icons on your computer screen, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now, sir, ma'am, we will just show you the status of the hacker who are connected with the internet. So now, ma'am, just look down your keyboard on the very left-hand side, down corner.
Okay.
Do you see the CTRL key, control key?
Yeah.
Do you see the CT? And next to the control key, ma'am, beside the control key, which key do you see, ma'am?
Oh, that's the Windows key?
Right, very good, ma'am. Now you need to just press that Windows key from one finger and hold it down. Don't release the Windows key. And after that, using your another finger, ma'am, you have to press the letter R. R for Romeo. You have to press the both key at the same time. Now,
Okay,
after that,
done.
what's come up on the screen?
It's all done there.
Sorry, ma'am, what you say?
It's a black box. It says this scammer got fooled twice. What a chump. Poor
What the
guy.
fucking you are?
It's all gold and Bitcoin.